In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers of this device. So it can be done in two ways. Let's start with the quickest one. Just tap on Phone Dialer at first, go to keypad and press secret code, which is *##06#. And here it is, right in front of you. You've got your IMEI number. Tap on OK to close it, and then to open this number along with serial number, just open the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now go a bit lower, and here you've got IMEI numbers, and under Model and Hardware you will be able to find the serial number as well. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.